Student. A student is a person who goes to school, college, or any place to learn. A student can be a child, teenager, or even an adult. The main job of a student is to study and gain knowledge. Students learn many subjects like math, science, English, and history. They also learn good habits like honesty, hard work, and respect. Students go to school every day. They wear a uniform, carry a bag with books, notebooks, and a lunch box. They listen to their teachers, ask questions, and try to understand the lessons. Good students do their homework on time. They study for exams and try to get good marks. A student must be regular and punctual. Time is very important. A student should not waste time on useless things. Watching too much TV or using mobile phones for long hours is not good. A good student uses time wisely. A student also learns from friends. Group study helps students understand better. Playing games is also important. Sports make students active and healthy. A healthy body helps in learning better. Sometimes, students feel stress or pressure. But they should stay calm and talk to parents or teachers. Life is not only about marks, it is about learning and growing every day. Students are the future of a country. If they study well, they become good doctors, teachers, engineers, and leaders. They help make the world a better place. Every student should dream big and work hard. Hard work, discipline, and a positive mind help students succeed in life. Respecting parents, teachers, and elders is also important. In short, a student is someone who learns, grows, and builds the future. A good student becomes a good person. So, all students must study well and be honest in life.